Login software username or password. Enter the employee details, add employee personal details, employee number, gender, name, date of birth, father name, marital status, designation on work and designation on visa department room, number, mobile number, religion, home country number, email, nationality, education, and complete address. Create a folder location where you save the employee documents, company information. Select the company which have visa, write the agency name or reference of this employee, status, attendance status, on or off contract, stamping date, joining date, insurance, expire date, Emirates ID number, entry pass, expire date. Salary details, basic salary allowance amount and total salary, bank name, transfer of his salary, IBAN number and account number, passport details, passport number, passport issue, date and passport expire date in green cell, showing balance month of passport expiry, visa details, UID number, visa, issue date and visa expire date in green cell, showing balance month of visa expiry. Now employee data is complete. Click the profile print button, print the profile. Next, master account. What is a master account? A master account is used to store the details of the client, customer, or project/job. It helps you manage and track the jobs where your employees are assigned and working. Please fill in all required details in the respective cells. Ensure that the information provided is complete and accurate before saving or submitting the record. Attendance. First, select the attendance date. Click the Load Sheet button to automatically display all employees in the attendance sheet. All employees will be marked as present by default. Review the attendance list carefully. If any employee is absent, select the employee and click the Mark Absent button, red button. Once all attendance records have been verified, click Save to update the attendance record. Note, please ensure the attendance list is checked thoroughly before saving. Daily attendance recheck. To recheck daily attendance, first select the date you want to review or modify. After selecting the date, the system will automatically display the attendance sheet for that day. To make changes, select the employee record. If you need to change status from present to absent, simply select the employee and click the red absent button. If you want to remove an employee entry, click the Delete cross button. After completing all necessary changes, click the blue Save icon button to update the records. Timesheet entry and working hours. First, select the date and ensure that attendance has already been marked. If attendance is not completed, employees will not appear in this sheet. Select the site and job where the employees are working. In the Search Employee field, enter the employee number and press Enter. The employee details will appear in the list automatically. Please note that absent employees will not be shown in this sheet, as only present employees are included. Next, enter the timesheet number. Before adding employees, select the working hours once from the right side. It will automatically apply to the sheet. Add all employees under the selected job accordingly, and then click Save. Important, this entry will be used for salary processing and job cost/manpower calculation, so please ensure all details are entered carefully and accurately. Advanced salary request form. First, search for the employee. Once selected, all employee details will be displayed automatically. Click the Show Balance button to view the employee's advance history, including previous advances and the remaining balance. After reviewing the balance, enter the new advance request details, including the amount, remarks, and deduction period, for example, 2, 3, or 4 months. Once completed, click Save and print the application for management approval and employee signature. Next procedure, after approval and receiving advance. After approval and disbursement of the advance, update the record in the system by outgoing payment, advance entry. First, select outgoing payment and choose new entry. Select the employee and enter the payment details. Write the remarks, for example, personal advance, enter the amount and select the category. After clicking Save, the system will ask whether you want to create a deduction schedule. If yes, press Yes. The deduction schedule form will open. Select the required months and enter the monthly deduction amount, for example, June, July, and August, with a deduction of $500 each month. Click Save to confirm the schedule. Note: during salary processing, the system will automatically deduct the scheduled amount in the selected months. Other allowance schedule. This feature works similarly to the deduction schedule and is very easy to use. First, search and select the employee, add the required months, and enter the corresponding allowance or bonus amount for each month. After entering the details, click Save. The system will automatically include the selected amount in the employee's salary for the scheduled months. Payment receipt. To record a payment received against any particular transaction, first search and select the employee name. Enter the remarks, input the amount, and select the appropriate category. After completing the details, click the Save button. Once saved, print the receipt voucher for record keeping, and obtain the necessary signatures. Payment details. Overview search and select the employee to view complete payment history. All related payment records will be displayed automatically. If you need a statement, click the print button to generate and print the payment statement for records and reference.
Payment computation. Go to Finance. Arrow Payment Computation arrow. New computation. The payment computation form will open. First, select the appropriate computation header option. Then, search for the employee. All employee information will be displayed automatically, including the last working date and total completed working months. Select the month for which the salary is pending. Adjust the working days if necessary. If the employee has worked overtime, enter the overtime hours in the OT field. Any additional allowances can be entered in the Other Allowance field. Enter relevant details in the Remarks section. The system will automatically calculate and display the total salary. If the employee is entitled to an air ticket or ticket allowance, enter the amount in the ticket section. If leave salary is applicable, enter the leave salary amount. For employees whose employment has been terminated or whose visa has been cancelled, enter the gratuity amount if applicable. The system will display any outstanding advance balance. The advance deductions will be automatically shown in the deduction section. After all calculations, the system will display the total payable amount. Once the computation is complete, click Save. If you need a printed copy for records, management approval, or employee signature, click the Print button. Important: please verify all salary components, allowances, deductions, leave salary, ticket allowance, and gratuity before saving, as these calculations directly affect the employee's final settlement and payment.
Go to Main menu and click Passport Log. To create a new record, click Add New. In the search bar, search for the employee who is requesting the passport. The employee details will be filled automatically. Select the purpose for taking the passport out. Choose the passport out date and the passport return date. The system will automatically calculate and display the total number of days. Enter any necessary remarks and click Save. If you need a signed record, and deletion. On the right side, all active passport out records are displayed. Records highlighted in red indicate passports that are overdue for return or have not yet been received back. On the left side, the complete passport out history is available for reference. When a passport is returned, select the employee record and enter the received date. Then change the status to Passport In and click Update to confirm that the passport has been received and returned to custody. If a record was entered by mistake, you may delete it using the Delete option.
No salary posting. Select the time card and recheck the attendance records. Select the month and year. Enter the employee number and click Open. The employee's full monthly attendance will be displayed. Review the complete attendance details carefully. Salary details. The following salary information will be shown: working days, overtime hours/days, working days, payment, overtime payment, total salary finance details. The finance section will display total advance amount, new deduction, automatically shown if an advance payment deduction schedule has already been created, advance balance allowances, if any, bonus amount, if any. The system will automatically calculate and display the total payable salary. After reviewing all details, click the Post button to complete the final salary posting process.